Hello everyone and welcome back to QuickSolve. Today we are tackling a topic that holds the key to unlocking your potential: education. Now, when you hear education, you might think about classrooms and textbooks, but education is so much more. It's about a lifelong journey of learning, growing, and expanding your horizons. It's about acquiring knowledge and skills that empower you to navigate the world with confidence. So, how exactly the education can change your life? Here are just a few ways. First, open doors to opportunities. Imagine yourself stuck in a job that doesn't fulfill you. Education can be the key to unlocking the door to your dream career. By acquiring new skills or knowledge, you become a more attractive candidate. Whether it's pursuing a higher degree or taking online courses, education gives you the edge you need to stand out from the crowd. Second, education boosts your confidence. As you learn and master new things, your confidence skyrockets. You start to believe in your abilities and feel empowered to tackle new challenges. Education equips you with the tools you need to stand tall and communicate your ideas clearly. Third, build bridges through communications. Strong communication skills are essential for success in any field. Education teaches you how to express yourself effectively, both verbally and in writing. Imagine collaborating with colleagues from diverse backgrounds. Your ability to communicate clearly becomes a bridge that fosters understanding and builds strong teams. Fourth, broadens your perspective. Education takes you on a journey beyond textbooks. It exposes you to different cultures, historical events, and innovative ideas. As you learn about the world, your perspective broadens and you become a more well-rounded individual. This global awareness allows you to empathize with others and understand the world in a whole new light. Fifth, equips you with the life skills. Education isn't just about academics. It also tackles valuable life skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and time management. Imagine juggling work, family, and personal goals. Education equips you with the tools to prioritize your tasks, manage your time efficiently, and navigate life's challenges with a calm and strategic approach. The beauty of education is that it's not limited for four walls. There is a whole world of learning opportunity waiting for you. You can take education from the sources like online courses, podcasts, workshops, documentaries, books, and even YouTube channels like QuickSolve. So, are you ready to embrace the transformative power of education? What topic you are always been curious about learning more about? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of education. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep growing, keep discovering, and keep solving. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to QuickSolve for more tips.